like that in there. Now you just pull this down like that, and you can slip that belt off. And while you're at it, you can try to spin that pulley, and mine is not moving, so I'm going to say that's what's locked up. You could also take your 19 and your big ratchet and put it down on the crank and see if it'll turn it over by hand. This is what it looks from the top side. The crank's way down there. It's not much better underneath, but a little bit, so a little less stuff on the road. Let's grab a jump pack and see if she'll start. Well, she's on there. This is that Most Tool M6 one. See what she does. Here we go. Alright, y'all, I think my starter is toast, so I guess we're going to take that out now. As always, like and subscribe for more. Catch you next one. Stay safe and God bless. See you then.